Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gear. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Lews, the Speed Spool LFS Baitcasting Reel. This reel has been making waves in the fishing community for its performance and reliability. Stick around as we break down what makes this reel stand out from the competition. Let's kick things off with what makes the Lews Speed Spool LFS Baitcasting Reel a top choice. It boasts a robust 10-bearing system, featuring stainless steel double-shielded ball bearings, ensuring smooth operation with every cast. What I particularly love is the zero reverse one-way clutch bearing, which eliminates any back play for a solid hook set. Made from durable aluminum, this reel is built to last and handles like a dream. The 7.5:1 gear ratio gives you the speed you need to retrieve your line quickly, making it perfect for both novice anglers and seasoned pros alike. Plus, with an external lube port and speed lube technology, maintenance is a breeze, ensuring peak performance in any weather condition. Now, let's talk performance. Whether you're targeting bass in freshwater or tackling larger game fish in saltwater, the Lews Speed Spool LFS delivers. Its smooth casting and precise control allow for accurate bait placement, minimizing backlash and maximizing your fishing experience. The ergonomic design and comfortable grip make extended fishing sessions a pleasure, reducing fatigue and enhancing your ability to stay focused on the water. It's a reel that strikes the perfect balance between power and finesse. How does it stack up against the competition? Priced competitively at under $100, the Lews Speed Spool LFS offers incredible value for money. Comparable reels often lack the same level of smoothness and durability, making this reel a standout choice for anglers looking to upgrade their gear without breaking the bank. When it comes to build quality and performance, Lews has clearly raised the bar with the Speed Spool LFS. It's no surprise why it's become a favorite among anglers of all skill levels. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-performance bait casting reel that doesn't compromise on quality, look no further than the Lews Speed Spool LFS. From its precision engineering to its smooth operation, this reel is designed to elevate your fishing game. That wraps up our review of the Lews Speed Spool LFS Baitcasting Reel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews on the latest fishing gear. Thanks for watching, and tight lines out there.